Hi everyone, let's get started. I wake up early. My alarm goes off. I turn off my alarm. I stretch in bed. I get out of bed. I put on my slippers. I open the curtains. I water my plants. The sun is shining. I open the window. I let some fresh air in. I make my bed. I head to the bathroom. I walk into the bathroom. I turn on the light. I turn on the water. I wet my hands. I take some soap. I wash my hands. I wash my face. I rinse my face. I dry my face with a towel. I brush my teeth. I look in the mirror. I smile at myself. I choose my clothes. I get dressed. I put on my socks. I put on my sneakers. I tie my shoelaces. I walk to the kitchen. I pour a glass of water. I take a mug from the cabinet. I make a cup of coffee. The coffee smells great. I toast some bread. I spread strawberry jam on my toast. I wash an apple. I slice the apple. I pour a glass of orange juice. I prepare my breakfast. I enjoy my breakfast. I take a sip of coffee. I take a bite of toast. I've finished my breakfast. I fill my water bottle. I check my phone. I pack my backpack. I grab my backpack. I grab my keys. I put on my jacket. I zip up my jacket. I open the door. I leave the house. I start my day.